How to chat with Metamask support team to solve any problem. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to solve any problem with chatting with the support team on Metamask. So first thing we do is we go to Metamask. This is the homepage, as you can see. Now you go to the top corner right here and click on those three lines here and then choose support here. Click on support. You need to wait a few seconds. Now we go down and choose start a conversation. If you can't find an answer, you just need to start a conversation. Click on it like this and you will be able to start conversation with Metamask support team, and they will answer you quickly as fast as possible. And that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe.